guys, I'd like to welcome you to Cooking with Corey. Hey, this is a Quickie with Corey. Jen's hungry. It's getting a little late at night. We're just going to do a quick little vid. We got some hoagie buns, some processed cheese, some onion, some almonds, white, some pickles, some Italian seasoning, and some good old Starkist. Hey, Tuna Melt. Next on Cooking with Corey, Quickie style. Alright, 2 cans of strained tuna right there. Looking delicious. Water pack, whatever. So a good old hefty 2 tablespoons of white onion and 2 tablespoons of your dill pickle. You don't like the pickle? Don't put it in. Put in what you want. Italian seasoning. This is local. Use what you want, or don't put it in. So we're gonna do a good toss of that in there, like so. Then we are obviously gonna add a little bit of salt and black pepper. And then Jen's a healthy girl, so she likes almonds and she likes it light, so we're going to do 1, 2 huge healthy tablespoons of that in there, and we're going to give her a little surprise with a little tiger sauce in there. Why not? Let's do that. Just a little bit. There we go. That's good to go. And we are going to mix this up. We'll need for you guys beer for that, and then we're gonna throw it on the grill. We're gonna get her plated up. I said I'm trying to make it a Quickie with Corey. So there we are. Alright guys, we are heating up the pan, so we are gonna throw some bones, some olive oil with salt, and a little bit of pepper. There we go. And we're going to do this till we get 4 of them. Alright peeps, our bread is going there. Let's build this sucker. So boom, boom. That's Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese, Swiss cheese. Alright. So now we gotta add on our tuna salad. Like so. And so we'll keeping a tuna salad on both of our bottoms, so to speak. Alright, there we go. And then we're going to top that off with some good old American crab cheese, or whatever you want to call it. Your slices that come in this cellophane. There you go. And top. We're going to top. Impeccably clean hands, obviously. And over we go. Which, ooh, look at that. And over we go. And I broke out Mr. Trusty. Jen didn't throw him out yet, so he needs to come around here, and he's a heavy pan, so he will throw some heaviness on there, and we'll be back when these are done. Alright guys, we're gonna get ready to plate these suckers next. They look delicious, don't they? Heck yeah. Flowing out the side of deliciousness. Alright, plate that. Alright peeps, we are in Plateville. Check out our sandwiches. Don't they look delicious? Made out of hoagie buns. Tuna melts made out of hoagie, just for Jen. Jen's hungry, so we gotta get these suckers done. We do have some filling roaming out of them. That's alright. Nothing wrong with that. So we'll take that, plate that, and plate this like so. And I gotta do something with that filling. I'm not sure, but anyway, we're looking good on the filling. I mean, look at that. I mean, come on. That's not a good looking salmon right there. Heck yeah, let's put that over here. Let's put that guy right there like that. He's looking pretty good. And let's clean up our mess a little bit over here, because we left some delicious tuna salad there. We'll put it up there. You can obviously eat that later, because you know what? This is a quickie with Corey. And we don't want to mess around with doing all the fussy stuff. So anyway, there we go so far. We'll take it into view here. Alright. I think we did alright. We do got a little bit of tuna salad up here, obviously, which I said. A little bit of pickle. And onion here. Left over that we can add on to the mix there. And obviously, we can add some parsley on there. And there you guys got it. That's a quick and simple tuna melt for Jen. She is starving Marvin right now, so that's Jen's supper. She probably won't eat half of it, if that, and I'll just chow the rest. Thank you for watching it with Corey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this super, just come up with it, cooking with Corey. I know, it's not good. You know, it's not as good as my other stuff, but hey, it works. Love you guys. See you back.